Are you prepared for a potential recession? JP Morgan has predicted economic downturn due to recent tariff actions by President Trump. The chief U.S. economist, Michael Feroli, reveals that these tariffs could lead to a contraction in gross domestic product, GDP. This means we might face a shrinking economy. Additionally, Feroli projects an increase in unemployment, expecting it to rise to 5.3%. This is alarming news following tariff announcements imposing a 10% tax on all incoming goods. Experts warn that these tariffs, combined with previous levies on Mexico and Canada, are likely to spike retail prices. An economic slowdown and job losses are expected consequences of this aggressive move. Feroli highlights that upcoming price increases might hurt consumers more than during the post-pandemic inflation spike. Recent moderation in income growth compounds this issue. The bank's forecasts also point toward a growing risk of a recession in 2025, raising its likelihood from 40% to 60%. The anticipated downturn could happen in the second half of that year. The negative impact of tariffs extends to consumers, with inflation affecting purchasing power and spending behavior. Uncertain financial conditions may lead consumers to tighten their wallets. Retaliatory tariffs are also a concern. China has already introduced a substantial tax on U.S. imports. Other countries are considering their moves, with some choosing to negotiate instead. The effects have already influenced the stock market significantly. After the tariff announcement, the Dow Jones plummeted 2,231 points, marking its worst drop since March 2020. Despite stable job numbers in March, the impact of tariffs could stifle hiring. The expected decline in economic activity might lead to higher unemployment in the long run. As past officials have cautioned, continued tariff actions may have dire consequences for the economy. While some White House officials downplay the risks, the implications are clear. Stay informed on these developments, as they could affect your financial future.